You are going to miss the opportunity to learn from multi-millionaire entrepreneur for free. Yes, you are heard it right. You are going to miss it. So, hey guys, this is Nilesh, and I'm talking about the Two Comma Club live event that is a popular, demanded event ever. So, this is started within a 3 hour. This event going to start within a 3 hour, and recently Russell Brunson announced that he is not going to do it once again. So, if you are still have doubt queries, you can be a part of it. So I'm going to share with you what exactly you are going to get in this event. So this is the link of mine. If you wanted to upgrade yourself with the Two Comma Club live event, I have special bonuses for you as well. So first I'll showcase you what you get from this event. And if you are not sure what Two Comma Club is, so I'll share with you, like, it is a 3 days virtual event that is hosted by Russell Brunson from his office in Boise, Idaho, and he is streaming all the popular funnel hacking live best presentation in from his office. You just have to attend from your home. This and funnel hacking live is something that one of the best event we know about if you are from funnel industry or from internet marketing, right? So this Russell is going to present all the presentations that make a biggest impact in 5,000 plus attendees live, 5,000 plus attendees live, right? So this is all the members. You have Myron Golden, Prince EA, Alex Sharfan, and so many big entrepreneurs who made millions of dollars with their business, right? And they are showing with you all the frame roadmap foundation what you are going to achieve. So this is the funnel that you have. So from here you can upgrade yourself. You can drop your, if you feel you don't want to pay right now, you can just start with this second option, $197. You then don't have to pay $197. You just have to be sign up for free, $0. If and then on the third day, if you feel you don't want to pay, you can cancel it, right? So but I'll suggest you go with 147. What you are getting from this event, so I'll showcase you the different funnel insights of the funnel what you are getting from this. So just a minute, I'll upgrade the page. And by the way, link in the description and appeared on the screen. Go and check it out. I have special bonuses for you, so make sure you stay with me till the end. Yeah, this is the thank you for registering for Two Comma Club. We can't wait to you to join us at 3 day virtual event. This is what you the first upgrade. So mark calendar for 20 April to 22nd April, and full conference day. It is a full day conference. So then we have the members area as well. I'll showcase you the members area. I'll change my screen and showcase you members area, how it look like, what you get members dashboard. So this is the members area, and here you have to access to join the private Facebook group, conference, how to promote and get the workbook, are you VIP, all those things you are getting from there. And the live event, once it was converted into recording, they all are in this members area. So and yeah, we have the Facebook group access as well. So I was not up my, they are not confirm approve me inside the Facebook group, but I'll showcase you what how it look like. So let's see, this is the Facebook group they have. So you have to be drop the email that you use to purchase, and that is what you get from Russell Brunson from ClickFunnels. And my special bonus, I'll showcase you my special bonus as well. Let's have a look what you get from me. So I'll change the screen. So this is the special bonuses for you, and only for today itself. Today is the 20th April 2022. So you are watching this video. If you are watching today only, then you have the access to all these bonuses. So Russell, one physical book, $20 hardcover, one accountability with me, priceless. You are getting my accountability support for one on one. Then one of the challenge funnel template that helped me to generate over $1,000. This is insane bonuses. This is bonus that helped me. This is the bonus. Okay, just a minute. I'll zoom the screen so you are able to see it much easily. Yeah, this is the one of the challenge funnel, that template that helped me to generate over $1,000. Yes, this is the insane kind of bonus you get from me, because one template made me $1,000 and I give it for you for free as a bonus if you upgrade with the link of mine in the description or in the comment section, right? So weekly group implementation call, I do weekly call with my clients, and today is Wednesday. I'll do on every Wednesday weekly call. You get one-on-one call, one-on-one group call with me every week. Framework for interview launch. I have interview show, and I already invited two comma club winner, and in few days I have a TEDx speaker. She featured in Forbes. So this is the kind of framework how I get them on my show and all those things. You get audit for your profile. So your audit for your profile, I'll audit your profile like. How you can optimize it in a way so it give you business, it give you result, it give you success and access to all the challenges. I did 5 to 6 challenges in the past, and I'm also going to launch one more challenge in just few days. So you get access to the challenges for free. All you have to do is just upgrade yourself with the 2 comma club, the given link with my affiliate link, with my referral link. All you have to do, upgrade yourself with the comment link below in the description or in the comment section, so you get the insane bonuses from me and my accountability. That is going to be crazy. Don't miss the chance. Don't ever miss the chance. You have only 4 hours or 3 hours, not be 4 hours, 3 hours only. So go and check it out. The link in the description, in the comment section. Go and check it out. Bye bye. Don't miss it. It is going to be insane value with lots of big entrepreneur, right? Go and check that out. And in special insane bonuses from me. Never miss the chance. This is the link in the comment section. You find it in the comment section in the description. Go and check it out.